So we can convert a number to a string, we can convert a string to a number. So how do we do that? Remember, a number is an integer, right? So integer is also a function. So this is what I mean. Anytime you want to do arithmetic operation, before you write input, you write int. So inside the int, you write input. It means that anything that you will write inside this stuff will be an integer. So now you will now do the normal stuff. What we just did here is type conversion. We have converted a string to a to an integer. Let's try it first. I don't know that I'm right. Enter number. Then let's convert this one also to an integer. How do you convert to an integer? You start with int. int, then you open the bracket. Remember, we said function normally have the open and close brackets. So when I say it is a function, you should know that you should have the open. So inside the open and close brackets, what you should do is you should now put your input, then enter no. So if we do this, now, look, everybody. So if we run this code, let's try it so that it will work. Enter first number 5, enter second number 6. You can see that it worked. Now it's not showing us 56, it is showing us 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. So
sorry, I'm not seeing the screen again.
Okay, so the first thing you guys should know is, don't worry, just I'm going to redo it again, but the video will be yeah, I know how we should do it. So the lesson I want you guys to learn today is number 1, type conversion. Okay, type conversion. How you can convert an integer or a string to an integer. All right, how you can convert a string to an integer. All you need to do is just write int, then you open the brackets, then inside you write your normal prompt that will allow the user to enter a value. Okay, so anytime you are going to do arithmetic operation, ensure it is integer. So when you write your variable x, y, ensure that it starts with int before input, before you write any of that, and then you can just print it. And that way you can do this thing. Okay, someone wants to join. So another way you can do this thing. Everybody watch you.
I'm not seeing this pen.
Just if I say Telegram, most of us will
not seeing this pen.
Hold on, don't worry. If I say Telegram, most of us will not have Telegram. If I see which Zoom, there will still be this thing. So I'm going to plan towards that, because this screen stuff is disturbing. So let's say this is your assignment. Create another variable. The variable will be sum. Everybody look. Sum is equals to, you know what sum is now? Normally addition, then multiply, mul, is equals to, then divide, div, is equals to. So sum, you know what sum is? X plus y, then multiply, x times y, then divide, x slash y. Okay, then this is how your assignment will be. I can tell you that allow a user to input 5 different number. Question number 1, write the sum of the numbers. So you create sum, a variable for sum, then the multiple of the numbers together, then divide the first and second number. I'm going to prepare the questions for you. Divide the first and third number, then things like that. Then you will print. If I ask you to print sum, you will print sum. Okay, if I ask you to print multiply, you can just print everything at once. Sum, print, multiply. So it is as simple as that, and that's how calculator work. And there is another one last one before I end the call. It is called modulus operator, and most of us know it. Modulus operator, we are going to be using this for one of our projects. And computer science, if it doesn't come out in your test, it will come out in your exam for the projects that we will do. Okay, so pay attention to this modulus operator. If you cannot see my screen now, it's recording. Modulus operator is, let me set it as a variable, is when you say x percentage y. This percentage, it is a symbol of modulus. Okay, it is a symbol of modulus. So what this means is that if you divide x by y, what will be the remainder? So for example, if I say, let's try it. That's modulus. Modulus operator is if I divide.
What you said, divide by y to give.
Come again.
That modulus, you say if you divide x by the percentage sign, it will be equals to what?
Hold on, I'm coming again. So modulus operator, I said the work of modulus is that if you divide x by y, they are not looking for the answer, they are looking for the remainder. Let me show you what I mean. So if we come to the output, let me say we divide 2. The first number is 2 and the second number, no, let me just put any number, don't worry. I need to start again. That's right. So like if we divide 4, if we do 4 over 2, what is the remainder? What is the remainder? 4 divided by 2 is what? 4 divided by 2 is 2 remainder. Thank you. So the thank you. So the answer is 2 remainder 0. So the answer for this will be 0. That is what it means. So if we do 5 divided by 2, it will be 2 remainder 1, right? So when we are using modulus operator, we are not looking for the answer, we are looking for the remainder. That is it. We are looking for the remainder. So modulus operator gives us just remainder. So if I do 5 divided by 2, you can see the answer here is 1. So it's giving you the remainder as the answer always. So if you do 4 divided by 2, you know that it is perfect division, so the answer will be 0. Do you understand modulus operator?